너무 기죽지들 마라. 줄다리 일은 힘으로만 하는 게 아니야. 하나만 잘 되면은 힘이 모자라도 이길 수가 있어. 내가 소시 쪽에 고향에서 줄다리기를 꽤 해봤는데 웬만해서는 진 적이 없었어. 잘 들어봐. 제일 앞에 선 사람이 중요해. 그 사람이 약해 보이거나 기가 꺾여 보이면은 그땐 이미 승부는 끝난 거야. 제일 뒤에는 듬직한 사람이 맡아줘야 돼. 두 발은 11자 똑바로 놔. 그건 겨드랑이 사이에 끼고. 마지막으로 이게 제일 중요한 건데 신호가 울리고 처음 10초는 딱 버티는 거야. 이때 자세는 눕는 자세. 웬만해서는 안 끌려가. 그렇게 10초만 버티면은 이상하다. 왜 안 끌려오지? 상대편이 당황할 거야. 자기네들이 더 쓸 거라고 믿었을 테니까. 그렇게 버티다 보면 상대편 호흡이 깨지는 순간이 분명히 올 거야.
Sir, I'll take it from here. Cabbage is a good friend of the squid. Slice 2 handfuls of cabbage like the sliced squid. Carrot is also an excellent choice of vegetable. Slice some like the sliced squid. Onion can be missed here. I will use half of a whole onion. Now, time to make the sauce. Put a spoon of gochujang, which is the most important sauce. A spoon of chili flakes for the color and the spiciness. Add a spoon of sugar and a bit of jocheon, which is rice syrup for sweetness. Add a spoon of soy sauce and oyster sauce. They will boost the taste and flavor. And a spoon of garlic. Garlic is always alright. Finally, a bit of pepper, because it should be hot. Gently stir them so you made a special sauce for the squid bokkeum. Once your pan is already hot enough, then time to put your vegetables. Cabbage, onion, carrot, everything. Nicely stir them on medium fire until they are half cooked. Once they are half cooked, they will start to change the color. You might need more oil because cabbage quite absorb the oil. And you keep stirring it, but you make sure it shouldn't be fully cooked because cabbage can produce some water if they are overcooked. Okay, time to put squid and keep stirring it on medium fire. Squid take less time, that's why I put it later. If you want, you can put some alcohol like soju or brandy to get rid of some fishy smell. Let's put the sauce for everything. You're gonna stir squid and veggies with this sauce for a minute so it'll be hot and spicy. So yum. Okay guys, it's almost the end. If you have sesame oil and sesame seeds, it'll be amazing, but I forgot. Hey guys, why don't you try this food for your dinner tomorrow? I have one suggestion. If you think this is too troublesome, then why don't you use seafood marinara? It will be much simpler. I hope you enjoy this dish as much as Squid Game, and I wonder what you are thinking about this video. Please leave your thought in the comment. See you next time.